Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Education should be right, not a privilege. Hello my dear fellow students, welcome back to Jamal Kandhi High School Online Education. Let me introduce myself. This is Mustafa Kamal, Assistant Teacher of English, Jamal Kandhi Usmani Uchcha Bidyalaya, Daud Kandi, Kumilla. Dear student, today I will discuss about sentence. Previous lecture, sentences, assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative. Today I will discuss exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, a sentence that expresses strong, sudden feeling or emotion like surprise, pain, delight, anger and disgust, etc. I hope this clear what is called exclamatory sentence. Every student should be realize this structure and exclamatory sentence pattern: alas, hurrah, bravo, what, how, etc. The symbol of exclamatory sentence. Example: how happy are you? Finally, the sentence at last use of exclamation mark. What a nice bird it is. Dear students, again they explain example. How happy are you? And another example, what a nice bird it is. Finally, we use of exclamation mark. I again details of exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence is a strong, sudden feeling or emotion is called exclamatory sentence. Dear student, I hope you are understand this topic. Again, previous class also discussed assertive. Assertive sentence is a affirmation or statement is called assertive sentence. 2. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is asked a question and finally use of question mark is called interrogative sentence. Another, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is express, request, order and etc. And optative sentence is pair, request, pair, kindly is the symbol of optative sentence. Finally, we discuss exclamatory sentence. I hope this, dear student, realize the sentence definition and classification. Here the assertive sentence. There are two types of assertive sentence. One is affirmative and another is negative. Dear student, you know that affirmative means yes, negative means no. Such as example, I am a student is the affirmative sentence or assertive sentence. And negative, I am not a student. I hope this, dear student, clear the example and definition. Now, state the rules of making negative forms. There are three ways of doing this. Negative form, three ways. Negative forms are three ways. Negative form are three OS. Firstly, be verb. We know be verb is am, is, are, was, were. Have verb, have, has, had. Can, could, shall, should, will, would, might, after we use of not. Such as example with be verb. Ajam is a good boy. This sentence are equivalent to be verb. Is the be verb. And negative, Ajam is not a good boy. It's the negative form with be verb. Two of without be verb. Dear students, when we see the sentence is not a be verb, we use equivalent to tense and person. We use of present tense, do, does, and another is past tense, use of did. Example, go there. Student, sentence is go, instead of verb. No, this sentence is not here a be verb. We can use of, we see the tense of present, we use of do not, such as do not go there. Is the negative structure. Firstly, structure of go there without be verb. So we change the use of not, and present tense use of do or does, past tense did. I hope this dear student realize this topic. Explain this example. Firstly, use of do and another use of not. No change the main verb. Go is main verb. No change is the main verb. I hope this class is understand every student watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.